Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Lily. I live a couple of houses down the street.
Hey, Lily. Nice to meet you. I'm Jack. I just moved into the neighborhood a few weeks ago.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Jack. How are you finding it so far?
Thanks, Lily. I'm really enjoying it. Everyone seems so friendly, and the neighborhood has such a nice vibe.
That's great to hear. We really do have a nice community here. So, where did you move from?
I moved here from the city. I needed a change of pace and some more space, you know? What about you? Have you lived here long?
Yeah, I've been here for a few years now. It's a great area. Close enough to the city for convenience, but far enough to feel peaceful. By the way, have you tried the coffee from the cafe on the corner?
Not yet, but I've heard good things about it. I'll have to check it out. Do you have any other favorite spots around here?
Oh, definitely. There's a fantastic bakery just a block away that makes the most amazing pastries. And there's a lovely park nearby too, perfect for a morning jog or an afternoon picnic.
Wow, sounds like I've got a lot of exploring to do. Thanks for the recommendations, Lily. So, what do you do for fun around here?
Well, we have a neighborhood book club that meets once a month, and there are often barbecues and block parties in the summer. It's a really tight-knit community.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'll have to join in on some of those activities. By the way, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a golden retriever and the friendliest dog you'll ever meet. What about you?
No pets at the moment, but I'm considering getting a cat. I think it would be nice to have some company. Maybe I'll see you around at the dog park with Max sometime.
Absolutely. Max loves making new friends. Well, it was really nice meeting you, Jack. If you ever need anything or just want to hang out, don't hesitate to knock on my door.
Thanks, Lily. Same goes for you. I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone in the neighborhood better.
Likewise, Jack. Take care, and enjoy exploring the neighborhood.
Will do. Bye, Lily.
Hi there. I don't believe we've had the pleasure of meeting yet. I'm Sarah, from next door.
Hello, Sarah. I'm Mark. Nice to meet you. I just moved in a couple of weeks ago.
Welcome to the neighborhood, Mark. How are you finding it so far?
Thank you, Sarah. I'm really liking it here. It seems like a friendly and welcoming community.
Absolutely, we take pride in that. So, where did you move from?
I moved here from across town. I wanted a change of scenery and heard great things about this neighborhood. What about you? Have you lived here long?
Yes, I've been here for a few years now. It's a lovely area with great amenities. By the way, have you checked out the farmers market on Saturdays?
Not yet, but I've heard about it. It sounds like a wonderful place to explore. Do you have any other favorite spots around here?
Oh, definitely. There's a charming cafe just around the corner that serves the best pastries. And there's a beautiful park nearby where you can unwind and enjoy nature.
Sounds fantastic. I'll have to give them a try. So, what do people do for fun around here?
Well, there are often community events like neighborhood barbecues and movie nights in the park during the summer. Plus, we have a book club that meets regularly.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I'll definitely have to join in on some of those activities. By the way, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. She's a sweetheart and loves meeting new people. What about you? Do you have any pets?
No pets at the moment, but I've been considering getting a dog. I think it would be nice to have some company. Maybe Luna and I will become friends.
I'm sure Luna would love that. Well, it's been really nice chatting with you, Mark. If you ever need anything or just want to hang out, feel free to knock on my door.
Thanks, Sarah. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to getting to know everyone in the neighborhood better.
Likewise, Mark. Take care, and enjoy settling into your new home.
Will do. Bye, Sarah.
Hey Alex, it's been ages since we've seen each other. How have you been?
Sarah. Oh, it's so good to see you. I've been doing all right, just keeping busy with work and life. How about you?
I've been good, thanks. Life's been pretty hectic too, but I can't complain. So, what brings you to the party tonight?
Same here, just needed a break from the routine. Thought I'd catch up with some old friends and have a bit of fun. How about you?
Oh, you know, I was dragged here by a couple of friends. But I'm glad I came. It's nice to see familiar faces. By the way, have you tried the punch? It's surprisingly good.
I haven't yet, but I might give it a try. Thanks for the recommendation. So, have you been up to anything exciting lately?
Not really, just the usual. Work, gym, Netflix. You know how it goes. But I did take a trip to the beach last weekend, which was nice. How about you? Any exciting adventures?
Nothing too wild, just trying to make the most of weekends. I did go on a camping trip with some friends a few weeks back. It was nice to disconnect and be out in nature. By the way, did you hear about the new restaurant that opened downtown?
Yes, I did. I've been meaning to check it out. Maybe we could go together sometime and catch up properly.
That sounds like a plan. It's been way too long since we've had a proper catch-up session. So, what music are you into these days?
Oh, you know me. I'm pretty eclectic when it comes to music. Lately, I've been listening to a lot of indie folk and electronic. How about you?
I've been on a bit of a classic rock kick lately. There's just something timeless about those old tunes. Hey, do you want to hit the dance floor and show off your moves?
Maybe later. Right now, I'm content just chatting and catching up. But who knows, after a few more drinks, I might be persuaded. So, any plans for the upcoming holiday weekend?
Not yet, but I'm thinking of going on a road trip with some friends. It'll be nice to get away for a bit. How about you?
I might visit my parents for a couple of days. It's been a while since I saw them, and they've been asking when I'll come home. By the way, have you met anyone interesting at the party?
Not really, just been chatting with a few acquaintances. But catching up with you has been the highlight of the evening so far. So, what do you feel like doing now?
How about we grab some snacks and find a quieter spot to sit and continue our conversation? I feel like we have a lot more to catch up on.
Sounds perfect. Let's go.